Hi guys, this is Mrs. Young. I would like to show you how to use this virtual manipulatives that is actually embedded into the assignment. So what you have to do is to solve 1 and 2 tenths times 1 and 3 tenths using these base 10 blocks that you see. And then you're going to take a picture, upload it, all that stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so this is actually a math learning app called Number Pieces. You can either download an iPad app if you have an iPad. You can also, if you're just using a regular laptop, you can go to Math Learning Center, and in that app, one of the apps is in Number Pieces. But guess what? I actually put it directly into the assignment. You don't have to go to the different app or different website. So you can actually directly work in here in that assignment. So the first thing I want to show you is this one. So you click on this and then it will make the flat and rod and units to be the different color. And if you click this, it will make all of them to yellow. I don't want it all in yellow because it will be confusing for me to figure out which one's what. So the first thing I want to do is 1 and 2 tenths, right? So the one whole flat and then 2 tenths. So you got 2 rods. And if you get pretty close to it, it will automatically line them up nice and neat. So like if I go like this and it will just kind of go right there. So I have a 1 and 2 tenths. But then I accidentally put, let's say 1 and 4 tenths. I wasn't paying attention, so I put 1 and 4 tenths, and I don't want this. Then what you can do is you click on the rod that you don't want, you scroll down, and you trash it. Okay, and you have another one, I need to trash it. Okay, so now that's how you delete any rods or anything extra. So this is 1 and 2 tenths. Another thing I need is 1 and 3 tenths, but you need it for the width, right? So I already got one flat there. All I need is the 3 rods, and then you see that the vertical one was for the 1 and 2 tenths, so I need a horizontal one this time, 1 and 3 tenths. Okay, right now you don't have an actual rectangle, right? You still need to fill this in. So I'm gonna use my units to do that. So I need to fill up the spot so that it actually will make an area model. It will actually make a rectangle. So I am going to put that in. Okay, now I am done. So once I'm done, I can figure out my answers. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask you guys to go ahead and create this chart. Oops, that was bad. Okay, I'm gonna erase that. I'm gonna ask you to actually add them up. So there is a 1 flat, which makes 1 whole. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rods, which makes 5 tenths. 5 tenths, but I'm going to put 0 there just to hold the place. It's still 5 tenths. And then you got 6 hundredths, which is that. 6 hundredths. Right? And I'm going to add them. So 0 plus 0 plus 6 is a 6. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. And then 1 plus nothing is just 1. So my answer is 1 and 56 hundredths. Okay? Now this is a really important piece. If you go down here, do you see that little, it looks like a square and has an arrow out? It means share. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this and you're gonna click on save image. Okay, you're gonna save the image. So it takes a picture of your work. And then I can see that it's being downloaded here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit submit assignment button. It should pop up top right corner. Right now, this is teacher Canvas course, so I don't see it because it's not student view, but you should be able to see that there's a blue button. You click on it and you upload that image that was just downloaded. Okay, it should say my number, blah, blah, number pieces, blah, 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 blah. Okay, and then you're done. All right. Okay, so this was a tutorial video. Your question over here will not be 1 and 2 tenths times 1 and 3 tenths. So do not do exactly what I did. Okay. Again, I want to repeat. You're gonna show your work. You're gonna add up each thing, add up all the flats, add up all the rods, add up all the hundredths, and then we're good to go. And then share it by clicking this button, save the image, upload the assignment. Okay, not too bad, right? All right, have fun, guys. Bye.